Today, one of the largest challenges is that the agents on the phone have zero context as to why the person is calling in, nor do they have access to any history. Thanks to the bidirectional integration between ServiceNow and UiPath, robots and humans can work together to enhance the case agent and customer experience by providing the agent with a single view of the customer. In this demonstration, first, a customer will call the case agent. When the call is received, the CTI screen is populated and the interaction is automatically created to capture the live conversation. Next, the agent verifies the customer's identity. The action of verifying the customer's identity in ServiceNow kicks off a UiPath unattended robot to log into the mainframe application, capture information about the customer, and send this information back to ServiceNow so the agent can see it. While the robot is gathering this data, the agent continues the interaction with the customer and the customer requests to change their username. Next, the agent changes the username in ServiceNow, and this action kicks off a UiPath unattended robot to change the customer data in the mainframe application. Finally, all of the customer's questions are answered and the call is complete. Now, let's take a look at this interaction live. First, John Jason, our call center agent, sets himself to available for all channels. Next, we are going to simulate Tom calling into the unemployment office. Using CTI capabilities, an interaction is populated with the consumer information identified from the phone number. Then, John, the call center agent, verifies that Tom is who he says he is by asking for verification and presses save. The action of clicking save kicks off a UiPath unattended robot on a separate machine. The UiPath robot will log into a mainframe application, gather more information about the consumer, and send this information back to ServiceNow. The agent is able to continue to do other work while the robot is gathering this data. John clicks on the Customer Information tab to get the holistic view of Tom, which can be configured to display relevant contextual information. Thanks to the UiPath robot, John can see that all claims information has been displayed from the mainframe application into ServiceNow. Having all information in a single pane gives the agent the ability to answer questions as best as possible, as well as create cases when needed. While on the call, Tom mentions that he wants to change his username on the account where he enters his claims. John navigates to the profile of Tom. Then he updates the username and saves and closes the window. This action in ServiceNow kicks off a UiPath unattended robot to change Tom's username in the mainframe application and ensure that the applications are in sync. Additionally, this helps the agent by eliminating swivel chair activities, reducing inaccuracies that occur from duplicate entries, and providing the agent a single place to take action and track interactions. And finally, John closes out the phone call by finalizing and adding any wrap-up notes that are needed. He saves the interaction and notes that the phone log has been associated to this interaction.